Hey everyone, it's Wayne. I'm here to tell you about a good deal today. Tongs. If you know me, if you've been seeing my videos, following me. If you're not, follow me, why not? You know I love me some kitchen gadgets. This set of three tong set is great. Of course, they lock together just like everything else. Now I'm in trouble. Got a silicone hanging hook on them, silicone grips, and silicone tong tips. Not plastic. They're not going to melt. I've been using these for about a year. 8-9 months probably, I guess, to be more accurate. But they're great. Got a great spring to them. Look good hanging on the wall, and do a great job picking things up. So it's a simple thing, but just thought I'd let you know my opinion. Thanks. Bye now.